Were you injured in a car accident in California? I'm Omar Reed and I've settled over 1,000 claims with some of the biggest insurance companies in the US. Here's why medical gaps can cost you thousands in your injury claim. If you've been injured in an accident, one of the most important steps you can take is to prioritize your medical treatment. Today, you're going to learn exactly how to protect your health and your claim by taking the right steps when it comes to medical care. Step number one, if you are seriously hurt, go to the emergency room or urgent care immediately. Your health should be your first priority. The Emergency Medical Treatment and Labor Act is a federal law that requires hospitals to treat patients in emergency rooms regardless of their insurance status or ability to pay. If you don't have insurance, you could still go to the emergency room and be treated. For example, Sarah was in a car accident and sustained a severe back injury. Although she didn't have insurance, she went to the emergency room. The hospital provided immediate care, stabilizing her condition. This ensured that she got the treatment she needed while her personal injury case progressed. Step number two, stay in treatment until your symptoms resolve and don't miss any appointments. Insurance companies like to argue that people who are hurt go to the doctor frequently. Additionally, the same companies will argue that large treatment gaps mean you weren't hurt anymore and will try to pay you less on your case. John injured his shoulder in a slip and fall accident. He initially attended a few physical therapy sessions, but then missed 3 weeks of appointments. The insurance company argued that his injury wasn't serious because of the treatment gap, reducing his settlement significantly. What if I don't have insurance? If the at-fault party has insurance coverage, you can usually find treatment on a lien basis. That means that the doctor will wait until your case resolves before asking for repayment. It's like getting medical treatment on credit. However, most doctors that accept lien patients will want you to have a lawyer. They prefer this because they are not confident in your ability to resolve your own case because they fear that you might default on your payment obligations. So for example, Maria, who didn't have health insurance, suffered a neck injury after her collision. She found a chiropractor who agreed to treat her on a lien basis. With her lawyer's help, she secured the treatment she needed and included the cost in her injury claim. If you do not seek medical treatment for your injury because you are uninsured and you don't want to treat on a lien basis, your claim will likely be worth very little. If your injuries are not documented, insurance companies will dispute them.